In today's video, I'm going to show you how to leave a Snapchat group. If you are currently in a group that you don't like and you want to leave that group, then you can follow the steps of this video. To get started, open up your Snapchat app. Then you'll need to head over to the chat section and you'll need to tap and hold on the group chat that you want to leave. After you do that, you'll see a bunch of options. You'll need to tap on the more option. As soon as you do that, on the top you'll see an option for leave group. You can tap on that and again tap on leave. As soon as you tap on leave group, you can see that the group has been removed from your chat section, which means that you have successfully left the Snapchat group. So that's how easily you can leave a Snapchat group. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and also turn on the notifications. That will be all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.